वेलकम बैक टू माई अनदर ब्लॉग दोस्तों। एक्चुअली मॉर्निंग में फ्रेश होके पहुंच चुके हैं ग्राउंड। सो चलते हैं और करते हैं अपना मॉर्निंग वर्कआउट। सो लेट्स गो।
It's time to wash my fat bike. After a long time, I'm washing my fat bike क्योंकि काफ़ी इसे थोड़ा मेंटेन भी करनी है। दो तीन काम है, जैसे कि इसका ब्रेक है, सामने का ब्रेक का इशू आ रहा है, वो ड्रम ड्रम में पैड उसको स्टक कर ले रहा है। सो एक वो काम करना है, तो पहले वॉश करते फटाफट, उसके बाद देखेंगे। फैट बाइक वगैरह वॉश करके नहा धो के पूजा पाठ करके अपना ब्रेकफास्ट ले लिया। अब चलते हैं शिशिर उधर। एक्चुअली शिशिर को कुछ काम होगा होगा क्या है, तो चलते हैं और वो काम निपटाते हैं। लेट्स गो। काफ़ी चमक धमक तो रही है, उसको मेंटेनेंस के लिए लेके जाना पड़ेगा साइकिल शॉप। बट द थिंग इज़ दैट मैं घर में भी कर सकता हूँ। स्पेयर पार्ट लाने पड़ेंगे और वो अराउंड मुझे पड़ेगा 250। और इसका सामने का ब्रेक का प्रॉब्लम है। अरे काम कर ही लगता, सही है। एक्चुअली गया था शीशी के घर, थोड़ा काम था, वो काम निपटाने के बाद चला गया लाइब्रेरी। अब लाइब्रेरी से फ्री होकर निकल चुका हूँ घर की ओर। चलते हैं घर, करते हैं लंच। लग रही है थोड़ी सी भूख। यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल। यू आर नॉट यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल यार। I can I will अरे बाप छोटी बात करते रहिए
याला आता हे जे तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये बोलतो, तुला कार पाहिजे का? आपण म्हणतो का फक्त हो हो यार, म्हणजे मी विचार करत होतो कार घ्यायचा, पण थोडंसं कन्फ्युज आहो, बेन्झ घ्यायला पाहिजे की BMW घ्यायला पाहिजे, मारुती सुझुकी घ्यायला पाहिजे, असं बोलतो ना आपण. बरोबर की आपण असं बोलतो, हो मला कार घ्यायची आहे. त्याने सांगितलं कोणती कार? 35 लाख रुपये घेऊन घे. असं नाही घेत ना आपण कार. घेता का कोणी? तसे घेत असाल तर मला सांगा, म्हणजे मी थोडीशी मदत करतो तुम्हाला विचार करण्यामध्ये. तर असं इंग्रजीचं कन्व्हर्सेशन असलं पाहिजे. आता तू बस, वेल डन, खूप छान. आणि आता तू आणि मी, आपण दोघं जर करू कन्व्हर्सेशन. आता मी बायर आहे आणि तू सेलर आहे, आणि मी याला खूप प्रश्न विचारणार, कारण की मी
लालवानी मोटर्स।
सॉरी नॅशनल मोटर्स, नाही नाही, कॉल वरतीच बोलतो, ठीक आहे? कॉल वरती जास्त बोलता येते, समोर समोर असं जवळ नाही होते. बरं, सो मी कॉल करतो, ठीक आहे? A lot of designs and variants in SUVs. I want X3 model. X3 model. That's nice. It's a good choice. And are you looking for a petrol variant or a diesel one? I want a diesel one car. Okay, okay. Is there a specific reason behind going for a diesel one than a petrol one? Yes, it has, but I can't tell you. Okay, okay. No worries. That's totally fine. Okay. We also have, just to let you know, we also have it in EV, electric vehicle, sorry, not electronic. So would you like to go for EV, which is a bit more expensive? So the balance in diesel, is it the diesel one you want? So the one with diesel is for 35 lakhs, but EV is for 37.5 lakhs. So do you want to go with EV, because you will be saving a lot of money on your diesel? Yes, of course. Yeah, and if you get that within like 2 hours, then I will give you 1% discount on the MRP. Okay. Okay. So do you want to come to the store so that I can show you the model? Yes, in the evening at 5 p.m. I will come at showroom and do some paperwork. That's totally fine. So unfortunately, I won't be there in showroom by that time. I have a meeting to attend. Could you please come at 4:30 if possible?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, that's totally fine. Otherwise, if you come at 5, a friend of mine will be helping you out. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. And can you please give us like 5 days so that we can get a new model for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's totally fine. And will you be paying with EMI and or will you be paying in cash?
I will pay with a card.
Okay, so you'll pay with card. But do you want to pay the whole amount in one go?
Yes, in
Okay.
once.
Okay, you're a rich person. Okay, that's totally fine. Because we sell a lot of cars and we rarely see somebody getting a car with whole cash. So that's totally fine. So it
That's
will be around 36 lakhs and 79,000 rupees.
Okay, it's good.
Okay.
I'll
Okay then. So you'll be getting your car within 5 days. We'll try to make it within 5 days, but sometimes it may take long. Is that fine with you, sir?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay then. Okay then. See you at 4:30. Please try to come at 4:30 so that I and you can meet and then discuss rest of the things. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, I don't know.
Okay, that's totally fine. It was lovely meeting with you, Samay sir. And please come back and we'll try to make it as less as we can. And we'll try to give you the best service possible in the city. Thank you so much. So that's how a conversation will be. Okay? तर हे झालं एक बेसिक कन्व्हर्सेशन आणि अशा प्रकारचं कन्व्हर्सेशन मला पाहिजे तुमच्याकडून. हा विचारताय डू यू वॉन्ट अ कार? यस. विच कार डू यू वॉन्ट? बेन्झ. व्हॉट इज युअर बजेट? 35 lakhs. असं नसलं पाहिजे. हा ठीक आहे. नाही चालेल. चालेल चालेल. बरं आपण सांगू कोण बाहेर होईल आणि कोण सेलर होईल. ठीक आहे? सांगा. तर आधी आपल्या ताईबद्दल इट्स अप टू यू गाइस. यू हॅव टू डिसाइड अबाउट इट. And take time. See, take time. Think. Ask me questions if you want to. Okay? But try to speak for as long as you can. You understand me? Okay? And all of us have to note down the mistakes they will be doing. Okay? I'm not expecting you to do any mistakes, but I'm just telling them. Okay, guys. Please, guys. A little bit louder.
Hello.
Hello, how may I help you?
Yeah. I want to buy a car.
Yeah, you came at a wonderful showroom. So how may I help you? Which kind of vehicle you are looking for?
I want a Maruti Suzuki and
Maruti.
Baleno.
Okay, you want a Suzuki vehicle. Okay, we have that option. We have. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I know your budget so I can easily show you the cars?
My budget is 15 lakhs.
Around 15 lakh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that segment we have Alto, Baleno, Swift Desire, only Swift, which is recently launched. It's come around 15.5, but we also have discount option, discount and many offers like that. Because this season is car bar season, so we can give you discount. So which one do you want? Like
I want Baleno.
Baleno, okay, that's good. In Baleno we have 3 models: Model Z, Model Q, Model P. Model P1 is top model, and Q is mid segment, and X is very lower model.
Okay.
Yeah. So in X model you will get only car, not much accessories. In Q you will get little more accessories. In P you will get loaded accessories in your car. So which you want to buy?
नाही चालेल. Please सांगा आणि let's just give her chance to speak. Okay? And yeah, sure. And then you can ask. Yes. Just speak for a little while.
I want third option.
Yeah, third one. Yeah, that's a great option. I love it. So many people are buying this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want in this year Baleno car. Which type of colors sales?
Yeah, we have 4 colors like white.
Most of the colors which means कोणते कलर जास्त विकण्यात गेले आहे यावर्षी?
याला आपण कसं म्हणू शकतो सांगा. सगळे जण सांगा. हा ठीक आहे ना, ठीक आहे. लिहा. हे कसं लिहा? समजलं झालं. हा, लिहा. या वर्षी बरं तू लिहा. झालं ना, लिहून दे ना. अरे लिहून दे ना ते. बरं, टाइमपास करू. झालं काय? या वर्षी हा, बरं सांगा याला आता मराठीमध्ये सॉरी
In this year, which is the most selling color of this year?
एक्झॅक्टली. तुम्ही आता एकदा तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये लिहिलं, आता याला इंग्रजीमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट करायचा प्रयत्न करा तुम्ही.
यावर्षी कोणते कलर जास्त Which color
आधी विचार करा.
Which color is most?
लिहा तिथे लिहा. सगळ्या
in
गोष्टींचा
this
आधी
year which color
around we had sale 1,000 of Baleno in this color. Yeah.
Suppose today I book
Okay.
this car. In after how many months in month you give me the car?
See, as I said that people, there is this car is high in demand and this color also is high in demand. So we try to give customer within a week.
Within a week.
Yeah, we'll try to give within a week. We are trying also.
But I want the day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me check. Okay.
Because of my in my family function. That's why day after tomorrow I want the.
You want tomorrow? Okay.
Yeah,
Let me see. Let me see if there is available in showroom. If the customer is ready to give you to transfer that vehicle to you, that will be okay. Or else you have to wait 3 days. Around minimum, maximum 3 days. Okay. Let me check. So yeah, I have good news for you. That customer is ready to giving that car to you. So
And in which offer is discount?
yeah. So
Because
let's.
of this Diwali is going on.
Yeah.
And Diwali discount.
Yeah. I already told you that we have heavy discount on vehicle this year. So if you by which mode you want to purchase? Because if you will do via EMI, so we hardly give you, barely give you the discount.
Explain that again. Come again.
Come again. Okay. If you will purchase, we have two modes to purchase via EMI or cash. Means full cash. Means full payment. If you will choose in EMI, we give around 3 to 5%. Okay. It depends on your segment. In cash, you will get around 5%. Because you are giving me full payment, so it's full.
Suppose you give me the day after tomorrow car.
Tomorrow.
Then I will give you cash 50%. Then after that remaining cash I will give you installment.
So you are indirectly you are choosing EMI option. So in EMI option, you will get only 3% discount.
Okay.
So it is okay for you?
Yeah. Firstly I discuss with my family.
Okay,
Then
okay,
after
that's
I
good.
will tell you.
I will let you know.
I will let you know.
Oh, that's great. Okay, but do it fast because we have, as your requirement, we have this car. Already one person is
In
booked.
this car which is seater size.
Sitting, how capacity of this seat, car?
No. Let you yourself prepare a statement and then say. Okay. Think about it. So you have a statement. What is the statement? Tell me in Marathi.
या कारमध्ये
हा.
नॉमिनी
Seats will there be?
Yeah, that's the question. Ma'am, you are, as you chose the higher variant, so that car is 5% capacity. You will get
Come again.
5% means?
That's difficult to understand. Come again.
Okay. So as you said that you want a higher top variant of this Baleno. So it contains 5 capacity of person. Means one driver, the co-driver, and the 3 rest of us they will sit in that too. In that top model, you will get a good capacity of dicky.
Good space.
Good space. You will get a good space. Around 400 liters of capacity.
Okay.
Okay, but I want 7 to 8 seaters.
No, we don't. No, ma'am. Baleno comes only in 5 seater.
Only 5 seaters. Okay, after 1 month, suppose I will come to in your shop after 1 month. This type of requirements comes in.
नाही बरोबर आहे तुम्ही जे बोलत आहे ते बरोबर आहे फक्त तुम्ही प्रश्नाच्या ठिकाणी सेंटेन्स म्हणा
म्हणजे मला असं म्हणायचं की मी 1 मंथ नंतर जर येणार तर मला जी माझी रिक्वायरमेंट आहे ती मिळेल का मला?
काय आहे तुमची रिक्वायरमेंट 8 सीटर
हा 8 सीटर. आफ्टर I will come after next month.
Okay.
Then this type of requirement you give is available or not?
Will the requirement be satisfied if I come after a month? असं सेंटेन्स असं पाहिजे.
काय
सॅटिस्फाईड म्हणजे पूर्ण होईल का? ठीक आहे. Will my requirement be satisfied if I come after a month? हे थोडंसं कठीण असू शकते तुमच्यासाठी पण असंच आहे इंग्रजी अशीच आहे जर कठीण सेंटेन्सेस बोलायचे तर कठीणच असणार ठीक आहे हा तर बोला
काय म्हणतो?
हा आता तुम्ही विचार करा मी जे सांगितलं ते सांगा मला.
After 1 month I will come to your shop. Then this type of requirement.
So sorry, extremely sorry, ma'am. Because Baleno comes only in 5 seater. If you want more capacity car, so we have the Ertiga, which is
But
Suzuki
I
model.
don't want Ertiga car. I
You
want
don't want?
Baleno.
So sorry, ma'am, we can't provide you because company itself not provide travel insurance. So
Is
it's
this a
continue.
gift also provided?
Yeah, and this number. Okay, yeah, we will
Which type of gift?
that we will decide. First of all, we have to do paperwork, RTO also. Then after we sort of that. So as you told, you want EMI, right? So shall we do paperwork?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do. Consider we had done the EMI paperwork. Okay. So also she had paid money because that EMI
Okay,
person has
okay. You did well. Well done. So the So let me just tell you where your gaps are. Okay.
As you seen my conversation, it was quite good. Day by day, I'm learning new thing and working on my lackness where I'm lagging. So yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching my blog. Stay happy, stay healthy. Meet you in next blog. Till then, goodbye.